Hello, I am Dr. Dhiren Parikh, consultant physician, Epic Hospital, Ahmedabad. Today is World Hypertension Day. The theme of World Hypertension Day of this year is measure your blood pressure accurately, control it, and live longer. What it means? It means that you have to measure your blood pressure regularly with your physician, and if your blood pressure is high or you are suffering from the hypertension, you have to control it. How? By making lifestyle changes like doing regular exercise and taking less salt. You don't have to take table salt like papad, achar, salt in the buttermilk or salt on the salad. You don't take. There are the lifestyle changes, and if your physician prescribe you drugs, take it regularly. So by these measures, you can control your blood pressure and you can live longer and happily like other people who don't have hypertension. So on this World Hypertension Day, my message is measure your blood pressure accurately, control it and live longer. Thank you.